Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for joining us. My name is Pretty and I am part of the executive team here at Space Creators, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 email marketing tips. But before we dive into the video, just some exciting news I'd like to share with you guys. So as you may know, Space Creators is a full-service digital marketing agency. We offer our clients everything from branding, web design, SEO, social media marketing management, just to list a few. But we are now also offering our clients augmented reality services. So if that's something you guys are interested in, please check out this video that I'm going to post a link to over here, or visit us at our website, spacecreators.com. All right, guys, so if you're ready, let's take flight. Tip number 1, offer your audience an incentive upon subscription. So I'm sure you've all seen these offers. They usually pop up when you're visiting a website saying, if you sign up today, you can get a 30% off coupon for your first purchase. Now, incentives don't always have to be a discount code. You can also offer your audience the opportunity to be the first to know about new product releases or promotion. They can also be downloadable assets like maybe an ebook, or maybe let's say you're a recipe blogger. You can always try offering your audience an exclusive recipe if they subscribe to your email list. Tip number 2, send a welcome email to new subscribers. Now, this tip goes hand in hand with tip number 1. The reason I say this is because if you have offered your audience an incentive, you can present it to them within your welcome email. Now, this email doesn't have to be anything fancy or complicated. It can just be very, very simple. Just an email that says thank you and reiterates to your audience what they have subscribed to. Tip number 3, always deliver. If you're going to promise your audience weekly emails, make sure you do not over or under deliver. If you under-deliver, you are likely to disappoint your audience, and if you over-deliver, you may just be setting yourself up for failure. So always establish your sending frequency beforehand and make sure it's something you will be able to maintain throughout your entire campaign. Tip number 4, define your audience. What you will need to do is segment your email list by defining your audience based on their interests, age, gender, occupation, or more. This will allow you to offer your audience more personalized and targeted emails. Segmented email lists can improve open and click-through rates, increasing engagement, and generate a greater ROI for your business. Tip number 5, review the success of your campaign. Now, this is probably the most important tip I can give you guys. Be sure to check your analytics regularly and make adjustments to your campaign accordingly. For example, if you're losing a lot of subscribers, look into when and why they are dropping off. It could be as simple as defining your audience and segmenting your emails. So if you feel like your campaign isn't doing so great, check your analytics, because a small adjustment can go a long way. All right, there you have it, everyone. Those are my 5 tips on email marketing. If you want to learn more about digital marketing, please check out our other videos. And if you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button. Now, we do have more valuable content coming your way, so if you haven't already, please also hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of our new videos to come. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and we really hope to see you in the next one. Bye.